Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about limit of indeterminate forms. So what do you mean by indeterminate forms? So let's understand this by using this example. So we are taking a function f of x that is equal to x square minus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2. So this function is actually not defined at x equals to 1. So for x equals to 1, fx is fx is not defined. And why fx is not defined, you can see by putting x equals to 1, the above part, that is the numerator, will become 0. If you will put x equals to 1, 1 minus 1 0, and again if you will put 1 over here, this will also become 0. So actually this is an indeterminate form. So this 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form when this function when x equals to 1. So this function f of x is indeterminate when x equals to 1. But हम तब भी क्या कर सकते हैं, x equals to 1 में limiting value निकाल सकते हैं of this function. So we can also we can find the limiting function, that is limit x tends to 1 fx we can find. So it can be found out, that is limit x tends to 1 fx. So how we can find this one? We have to remove the factor which caused the indeterminate form from that function. So how we can remove this one? First of all, we can understand, यहाँ पे आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि अगर when x tends to 1, we can say that when x tends to 1, this x square minus 1 tends to 0, and again this by this x square minus 3x plus 2 will also tends to 0 when x tends to 1. So how we can find this one? We have to first of all we can write this x square minus 1 as x minus 1 into x plus 1, and we can also write x square minus 3x as x minus 1 and x minus 2. By using simply the middle term factor of the quadratic equation, we can find that this x square minus 3x plus 2 will be x minus 1 and x minus 2. So this x minus 1 will be cancelled out, and if we if we'll put x equals to 1, then we can find a value that is 2 by minus 1, that is equals to minus 2. So the limit exists. So यहाँ पर हम क्या समझ पा रहे हैं कि fx exist करता है when x tends to 1, fx exists and the value is minus 2. The only thing that we have to do over here is we have to remove the factor which causes the indeterminate form. What is the factor which causes the indeterminate form? यहाँ पर कौन सा फैक्टर ऐसा है जो इस फंक्शन को indeterminate बना दे रहा था? वो है x minus 1. So we have removed this factor, and now it is easy to go, and we have find the limiting value of the function. So सिर्फ 0 by 0 is not the indeterminate form. This is not the only indeterminate form. We have many more. So let's see how many indeterminate forms are there. So there is 0 by 0 is one of the indeterminate forms that we have seen. There is another as infinity by infinity. We have 0 into infinity. We have infinity minus infinity. We have infinity power 0. We have 0 to the power 0, and we have 1 to the power infinity. So these all are the indeterminate form that we are going to see, and we are going to solve the functions which are in this form in our coming videos. So you should stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for the future videos. Now next we are going to see how we can convert the indeterminate form into another indeterminate form into another. So we have one indeterminate form as 0 into infinity. This infinity can be written as by 1 by infinity, and this 1 by infinity is 0, as we know. So 0 by 0. So 0 into infinity is converted into 0 by 0. So we can convert one indeterminate form into another indeterminate form. So here is y equal to infinity power 0. So we can take log on both sides, and we can see that x infinity power 0 becomes 0 into infinity. Now this again y equals to 0 to the power 0 can taking log again becomes 0 into minus infinity, and the last one is y equals to 1 to the power infinity. Taking log again both on the both side, we can get this infinity power 0. So in this we can see that we can convert one indeterminate form to the another. Now let's take an example and solve a problem. How to solve and how to see that which indeterminate form this function is in. So let's see, यहाँ पर हम लोग लिमिट एक फंक्शन लिए हैं, लिमिट x tends to x tends to 1, 2 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x. So if we will put x equals to 1, so let's put x equals to 1. So x equal to 1 जैसे हम लोग put करते हैं तो क्या होगा, 2 by 0 plus 1 by 0. That is exactly, we can see it is an infinity minus infinity, or you can say infinity plus infinity form, or we can say it is infinity plus infinity, or we can say infinity minus infinity form. Actually you can say anything. So ये इस form में. So how we can solve this limiting value this function when x tends to 1? So we can first of all will multiply with x plus 1 on this part, that is, let's keep this one as it is and multiply x plus 1 on both numerator and denominator of this one, so that the actually the numerator becomes the same, sorry, the denominator becomes same, and it is easy to take the LCM of both the factors. Now this is x tends to 1. Now we can see that it will become 2 by 1 minus x square plus x plus 1 by, this also becomes actually x square minus 1. Now taking minus common from here, limit x tends to 1, taking a minus common from the second factor, it will makes no difference. Let's see, x, this will become minus, and 1 minus x square, this taking minus common from the next second factor, and it will become limit x tends to 1. Further we can take LCM, limit x tends to 1, and it will become 1 minus x square. The numerator will be 2 minus x minus 1. Now again limit x tends to 1, it will become 1 minus x by 1 minus x square. Now further we can break the denominator by 1 minus x and 1 plus x, as a square minus b square is equal to a into b into a plus b, and we can put x equals to 1, that will become 1 by 2. So we have solved the function which is in the form, which is in one of the indeterminate form, that is infinity minus infinity, or you can say infinity plus infinity. So in this way we usually solve the problem if a function is in some indeterminate form. So I hope ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, and if you are clear with this, you can, I think you can solve the problem I have given the next slide. Yeah, this one, evaluate limit x tends to 1, x square plus x log x base e minus log x base e minus 1 by x square minus 1. So try solving this and give the answer in the comment box, and if you have any doubt you can also ask in the comment box, and thanks for watching.